Thank you for visiting NashvilleHardscape.com, your Nashville hardscape specialist. This is a Drystack style garden border made from tan flagstone. There is mortar holding this garden wall together, but you don't see much mortar, and the color of the stone is what catches your eye. Natural stone adds value to your home. Much like granite in your kitchen, flagstone is right at home in your landscape. Since this stone is from Tennessee, a Drystack garden border may be an affordable option for your home. For more information, visit NashvilleHardscape.com, your Nashville hardscape specialist. Thank you for visiting NashvilleHardscape.com, your Nashville hardscape specialist.